Hello and welcome to Marvin Gardens January, and it's a little past the middle of January, and it's been kind of warm and kind of wet, and this is really the first measurable snowstorm of at least in the middle of January, so that's why we came out to do the garden video. And what's happening around here is I've convinced the pups to come out, if somewhat reluctantly, boy. But they're out here, and let's see if I can see the rest of them. I don't know if I can or not. They're around here someplace, but it's right now you can probably just barely see the snowflakes. They're very small coming down, and it's been like that. Oh, there's Cassie. Hi, Cassie. Good girl. It's been like that on and off today, and usually the flakes aren't very big. Frankie's ready to go in. They both are. No, we're not going in. We're shooting the garden video. You guys have to, be stars. And Vanina, the French ballerina, is joining us. Oh, there goes Jolie. Don't let anybody out of the gate. They're captives. Anyway, I'll show you what's going on and or not going on in the garden. It doesn't look much different probably than the last time, except for the fact that now there's snow on the ground. This is bed one, completely empty. It cleared out all the brassicas and everything. And at least the snow is covering the mud path that I made when I loaded up a trailer load of manure into the compost heap. The compost heap, although probably slightly frozen right now, looks like a nice size. Looking forward to getting that stuff on the beds. And now I'm being videoed, or maybe I'm being pictured taking the video. The snow is such a rare event this January that even though this is a pretty modest one, it's still pretty exciting for everybody. Even the dogs think it's kind of exciting right now, once I forcefully carried them out here. Skipping over to the fire pit area, doesn't look very inviting right now, but we actually had some January weather in the 60s, and so one night we had a nice fire pit out here, actually, very mild, and very calm. It was nice. Well, as you can see, you can't even see. As you can see, you can't see. Good, Marvin. You can't see the beds, really, because they are covered with a shroud of snow. The grow house here is, although I did put up some wires to hold it in place, it's still got a little pummeled by the wind. So, and I guess the snow is weighing it down a little bit too. So I'm going to have to get that back in shape, and hopefully get it in shape so it's still usable next season, because I do have plans for it. As you can see, the solar panels are covered with snow. Not much sunlight out here anyway, so that doesn't affect the output, because there wouldn't be much of any output anyway in this kind of light. It's already getting close to sunset time, and probably wouldn't be bad to hang out here in the greenhouse. We actually set up a little seating area in here to make it kind of nice. And this is where we store the cushions. Oh, everybody thinks it's exciting that we've opened the greenhouse. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but the grass in the greenhouse is still green. Come on, Cassie. Come on, Cassie. Oh well, they're going in. So, anyway, there's not a whole lot to see out here other than the fact that it's snowy, and of course I always like to do December, January, February garden videos when it's snowing. And so that's why we're here. I don't know if you can see Jolie over there sitting in the snow looking over in this direction. She's like, okay, I've had enough of the snow, I'm ready to go in. Surprisingly enough, the dachshunds don't seem to be minding it too much. Come on, Frankie. Franklin. Come on, boy. It's time to go inside. Well, they're staying in there for now. So, I think that's going to do it for Marvin Gardens. Oh, and this is January 2020, making it officially the first garden video, Marvin Gardens video, of 2020. All right, now all the dachshunds are out. I can close the greenhouse door and we can head back inside. Good boy. It's funny, he's kind of enjoying himself out here. You like the snow, boy? Good boy. All right. Jolie, I take it you are signaling the fact that you've had enough of the outside snow. Usually she's the one that really likes the snow. Okay, let's head back inside. Come on, Jolie, you can come too. And here comes the rest of the French contingent. And that is going to do it for Marvin Gardens. Oh, I suppose we should look at the... Here, I'll show you the pond over my shoulder. See if I can do that. No, this way. No. Oh, never mind. There we go. So, there's the pond. Not completely iced over, but pretty darn close. It's supposed to actually get warmer, so it's not going to stay iced over for very long, I don't think. But anyway, that's going to do it. Marvin Gardens, January 2019. We'll see you next month in February. Bye, y'all.
Bye.